this edge in here, this lip had gone completely, and I was a bit bothered it had gone too far, but I just managed to just replace that bit and that bit, and this edge here is just good enough. That's gone in quite nice. But then I've got all this, and of course behind here this panel's gone as well. So, plenty to be getting on with. Here's half the parcel shelf. I've done it in 2 halves. I've only done half at the moment. My folder will only stretch sort of halfway. But when you cut too much out, I still got a boing moment with this. Well, this was still holding something, and something was under tension a little bit, so something's moved slightly. So it sort of retains its shape a bit better. I'm going to mount the seat belt here, seat belt reel. That's the old one. And I've stiffened that with 2mm plate under there and some bracing. That's super strong. And I've cut this back a little bit, relieve that edge, because the belt's going to come over here, and I've rolled that edge over. There's no sharp edges. And even this was rotted out. The end of the headlining bar and where it fixes to. So I'll do that half when I get onto the other side.